Well, hello. Welcome back to Omars Garage. Today we're going to be replacing the wiper blades on my Tesla Model X. All right, so the wiper blades, actually, I think they're the actual original wiper blades from 2016. I've never replaced them. I have original brakes, 120,000 miles on this Model X. And today I'm going to be replacing them. I had ordered some blades from Rock Auto that didn't have these hoses for the windshield wiper fluid. So I had to get new ones. I'll put a link in the description, or I'll do a pop-up so you know where to get them. But they're pretty easy to replace once you, I mean, they're the most complicated wiper blades that I've ever had to replace, because usually it's a lot simpler. But once you know what you're doing, it's pretty easy. So today, in this video, we'll show you how to do that. All right, so the first step that you're gonna have to take is to replace the wiper blades is hit your service menu, and then we're gonna do wiper service. And that's gonna put your wipers up in the upright position so that you have a little bit more access to them. All right, so I bought some wiper blades off of Rock Auto. They don't have the hoses for, and I'll show you in a little bit, for the actual wiper fluid. So those didn't work. I ended up ordering some other ones. This brand, not even sure what the brand is, but I'll put a link in the description for it. And that's for another project. Later on down the road, we're doing a webcam, not a webcam, a dash cam in my Porsche Macan. But here's what the blade looks like. Remember, this comes off. This plastic cover is something that you need to take off. Some people will forget that. But this is where this differs from a regular wiper blade. It has this hose here that is needed to connect so that you get, the wiper fluid coming out. So we're going to go ahead and put that back and start right here with this. And first thing we're going to do, put this up, is this is up. Obviously, we've already done that through the service, through the menu. We're going to put this here. And here, what you do is you push this clip, and then you push down. You push on both sides, down and out. And now here is where, you have to look at this connection and see how that is similar. And then we're gonna have to figure out how to disconnect these right here. So we're just gonna pull apart. I'll use my nail. There you go. Right now I'm just using my nails, there you go, to take that off. So we'll go ahead, we'll put this one in. Just put it into that hose. Fit there snug. We'll lift this back up. Put this top part in first. And then this just clips in. Push these in and push up. There you go. It's clipped in. So that one is done. And I guess we can just put this back up there. And that one's done. We'll move on to the next one. And I almost forgot. I just said it earlier, but got to remove this plastic shield. All right, so here we're going to do the exact same thing. Push this, the two clips, push this down, and then up and out. And then I forgot to bring my paper towel, so I'll use that for now. Twist. So I'm twisting and pulling. There you go. So we'll grab the new one. connect this here. All right, and we'll do the same thing as the other side. Top end first, and then push the clips in, and it's in. All right, so we're going to try this out. Yeah, they're both releasing the windshield wiper fluid, so yep, we're good. Well, hopefully the video helped you out. If you're there trying to replace the blades and figure out what's going on with them, then hopefully this video will help you out. If it did, make sure you leave a comment. If you're not following and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Check me out on social media. Like I said, I have links that I'll put up in order to purchase some of these, these wiper blades. But if you like the video, please, if it helped you out, leave a comment. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you at the next one. Y'all take care and stay safe.